Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? Y'all, that used to be me. Until I realized that you don't have to do everything. You just have to do the right thing. Hello and welcome back. My name is Iman. Whether you're new here or returning, welcome to the Your Brand YouTube channel, where we talk all things productivity, goal setting, entrepreneurship, and small business. I probably more than anybody know how easy it is to get buried in the task. That's why today I'm determined to teach you a method that will allow you to regain control over your time, your day, and boost your productivity without the stress. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what you need to do every single day to get the results that you desire. Whether that's business related or personal, you're going to leave this video feeling like you can achieve anything that you set out to achieve by implementing this method so you can get the results that you desire. So let's dive in. Step number 1, and probably my favorite, you have to brain dump everything. Get all of the things out of your head and get them onto paper. There doesn't have to be any rhyme or reason, but everything that you feel like you need to accomplish, whether that's personal or business, get it on paper. This is going to help you get a clear head so you can move on to the next step and actually start to get those results. Step number 2, I want you to take the list that you just brain dumped and I want you to prioritize the task. Put those tasks into buckets. Whether that is a personal bucket, a business or work-related bucket, a home bucket, whatever it is, I want you to put those tasks into different buckets. Once you have those tasks in those 3 buckets, you ask yourself a question. Which 3 of these tasks will make the biggest impact if I accomplish them today? Whichever of those tasks you decide on, prioritize them by 1 being the highest priority, 2, and then 3. Maybe it's sending an email, finishing a project, or maybe it's even taking a rest day. Yes, self-care definitely counts. Step number 3, break the big task into smaller actions. So if something that's on your to-do list is something huge like a project, break that down into smaller tasks. For example, instead of listing launch a product, maybe it's finish product description, schedule a photo shoot, create a shot list, create an email campaign. All of those steps help you to achieve your big to-do list item, which is launch your new product. Smaller steps allow you to keep moving forward without the overwhelm. And around here, we are all about less stress and no overwhelm. Step 4, time block your to-do list. Go to your notepad, your planner, whatever it is that you have, and I want you to highlight the areas or the times that you are most productive. For example, for myself, I know I am most productive between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. I have no distractions and I can literally sit down and get almost 8 hours of work done in those 2 hours. Once you have identified that, I want you to take your to-do list, those 3 things that you have listed, and I want you to put them into time slots where you are most productive. So if you know you're a night owl and you're most productive at 10 to 1 a.m., then I want you to list your top 3 priorities during that time. Treat these blocks like non-negotiable meetings. Don't let any distractions happen during those time blocks. That means put your phone on do not disturb, lock the door, whatever it is. In those hours where you have your to-do list scheduled, you cannot be disturbed. This is going to keep you focused and allow you to spend the time that your to-do list deserves so you can get the results that you desire. Step number 5, evaluate and adjust daily. At the end of every day, I want you to take 5 minutes and ask yourself a few questions. The first one being, did I accomplish my 3-part to-do list? If not, I want you to list out why. Why didn't you accomplish it? Were you distracted? Did you actually put too much on your plate for one day? Did you have a huge to-do list item that actually should have been broken down. And there's no guilt. If you did not accomplish what you needed to accomplish today, then just roll it over to tomorrow. But keep in mind, if you had an item that you did not allocate enough time to, I want you to take that to-do list item and break it down into smaller, actionable steps. This process is designed to give you momentum without perfectionism. Now just imagine how much smoother your day is going to start to go once you have a clear path for the things that you actually need to get done. This is a game changer, or at least for me, and I know it will be for you too. Here's my bonus tip. If something comes up that you find is more important than what's on your to-do list, it's okay to write that in and to take the item that was there that you feel is number 3 on your to-do list and move it to the next day. And if you want to make this process easier for yourself, our daily planners were designed to help you schedule your top 3 priorities, time block your day, and just organize your life and business so you can track your progress without the stress. And if you're ready to implement what you learned today about your top 3 priority to-do list, well, it all starts by watching this video right here. And if you pair what you learned today about your top 3 priority to-do list with this video here, you will increase your productivity in no time and grow your small business.